Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Marble Fun World. So today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to swap a token to from one token to another. So let's get started. As usual, Trust Wallet is where the main thing is. Don't forget, always put security in your Trust Wallet. Do make sure you do not lose your phrase, and always hide your portfolio. Let's get started. There are many platforms you can use if you want to swap. You can use Pancakeswap, you can use Bitcoin, but I love using Swap for anything because it's very fast. You can use any you like, but I prefer Swap. Change from Ethereum to BSC. Yes. Okay, guys, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Connect your wallet. Hope you are seeing the way I'm doing it. So if you want to do it, just do it the way I'm doing mine. And mind you, I am not a financial advisor. Whatever you want to do is on your own will. Willingly, nobody's forcing you to do anything. My answer. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Okay, so guys, you click this menu, then you go to trade, swap, smart chain. Yeah, I'll change it from Ethereum to smart chain. So guys, I'll be swapping BUSD. I'll be using BUSD. I'll swap BUSD to Nemesis. That also I'll be swapping BUSD to Nemesis. I've already told you guys how to search for contract address in the previous video. You just paste it. So I'm using $10 worth of BUSD, but I don't have the total worth, so I'm just going to use the 0.04 that I have. Actually, I'm not buying. This is just a tutorial video for you guys to see. So I will swap, then I will confirm swap. This is where charges, this is your charges 0.04 and the gas fee. So I'm not buying, just showing you guys how to swap. That is all, guys. So guys, if you want to swap from cake to Nemesis, yeah, you just click on the select a token, then press your cake, the Nemesis. The total cake you have 0.046, and this is the worth of cake in Nemesis. And don't forget, whatever you want to swap will be below, and whatever you want to swap will be on the top. What you are swapping to will be below. And BSD is also a stable coin, so if you are putting $1 worth of your coin in BSD, it cannot go up, it cannot go down. It's stable. And also remember that you have to have BNB for charges. Guys, in this cake, we are swapping from cake to BUSD, and you guys should note what we are using to buy will be at the top, and what we are buying into will be at the bottom, guys. Guys, that is all, and in our upcoming video we'll be talking about slippage and gas fee and how it affects our transaction, guys.